effective talaga na magpa-boost ng immune system if you're going to take daily dose of vitamin C with etong collagen Vita C. And we will be having a betadine test para to show you how effective itong product na ito. Hey there! My name is Anthony, and in this video, I'm going to show you itong second Thai series, Thai Gluta and Collagen and Vitamin C series na food supplement. This time with Collagen Vitamin C, Collagen Vita C. So hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito yung spelling niya, baka para mas maiba. And this is made by Precious Skin Thailand. So this type of food supplement is now basing on strengthening our immune system. So as you can see here, yung mga citrus niya and yung mga fish na yan. Bakit fish? Because yung collagen compound na kasama nito is derived from marine collagen, fish collagen, tripeptide fish collagen na effective para pampaboost ng or i-enhance niya yung collagen and elastin component ng ating smooth muscles such as yung skin and of course yung ating mga blood vessels to prevent yung mga weakness, hindi madaling masira yung ating skin, hindi tayo madaling magkaroon ng sugat. So, ganun din sa blood vessels natin para hindi siya madaling magkasugat sa loob ng katawan natin para hindi mag-burst. Ayun. So, anyway, magkano nga ba ang isang ganito? So, gaya ng sinabi ko sa first video, yung regarding sa top 12 best collagen supplements from Thailand for 2020, 450 ang baseline for each pack na ganito. And kung makikita nyo sa mga online selling websites, meron siyang different kinds of prices because depending yan po sa seller kung magkano yung ipapatong niya. And, ayan, etong product na ito is another promising product because it can really help your immune system to get rid of pathogenic infection such as yung mga presence of SARS-CoV-2 virus. Ayan, para at least ma-eliminate natin yung risk na magkaroon ng COVID and flu and other respiratory infections. So, we are going to flip this camera para to make a closer look sa etong yung contents tapos yung description nito. Here is the closer look of Precious Skin Thailand Collagen Vita C or Vita C, ayun, dietary supplement product, and dalawang calligraphy ang nakikita ko dito. So we have here yung Thai, ayan yung Thai, tapos Korean ito. So it is a combination of a Thai and a Korean pharmaceutical or nutraceutical companies. So ayan yung Collagen Vita C, so it is derived from fish collagen. Kung makikita nyo, ito yung parang symbol niya, tapos meron siyang citrus. So, marine collagen plus vitamin C na derived from citrus fruits. O, diba? And then, i-flip natin. So, the active ingredients, dalawa. And we have here, itong tripeptide fish collagen 250 milligrams, tapos vitamin C 60 milligrams, and yan, each capsule contains 960 milligrams. And then yung ibang inactive ingredients includes maltodextrin 530 milligrams, tapos edible gelatin 120 milligrams. So ayan, yung dosage niya, orally 1 to 2 capsule once a day after waking up or before bedtime. Ayan. And kapag allergic kayo sa fish, it is not advisable to take this product kasi if you're allergic to iodine, kung meron kayong iodine allergy such as kapag may nangangati kayo or if you feel itchy, kapag kumakain kayo ng seafoods, shellfish, shrimps, better not take this product kasi baka magkakaroon kayo ng allergy. And 18 years old and above, hindi po siya pwede sa pregnant woman. And then FDA approved siya, of course, and then made in Thailand. So, yung date of manufactured was sa noong, I'm not sure kung ano yung format ng date niya, but dito is MMDDYY, di ba? So, it is February 9, 2020, and mag-expire siya next year, February 9, 2022. So, ayan. Collagen Vita C. So, ayan po. I-flip back natin itong camera, and let's do the demonstration of yung ating betadine testing. Ayan. So, let's do the betadine testing. This time, we will be having a demonstration. And now, ang isa sa mga pinaka-effective na determination kung effective ang isang product is to make a betadine test. So, once again, dalawa yung baso. So, yung isang baso is for drinking and yung isa is itong betadine testing. Kaya dito ko ilalagay yung betadine. And now, we are going to pour the povidone iodine dito sa isang glass of water. And be careful para hindi mag-spill. Dapat malinis yung pagkaka-pour mo. So, you just add a little bit of betadine and make sure hindi masyadong marami. So, ganyan lang siya. Ayan. So, that's it. Yung betadine. And now, we are going to inspect first the product. Of course, let us cut it. Hindi yung dapat i-tear mo kasi baka ma-tear mo pati yung you might tear off the ziplock. So, it's important to have a clean way of cutting yung cover. So, it's like that only. Ganyan lang siya using a scissor. And just open it. So, ganyan lang siya. Ayan. So, kayo ang unang makakita ng itsura niya. So, it's color white. And I assume, baka rotten egg yung amoy niya. So, yeah, may amoy siya. Alam niyo yung amoy ng seafood, seaweeds. Ayun. That's the smell. Ayan. Ganyan yung amoy niya. So, medyo makati sa ilong if you're sensitive to dust. Ayan. Wag niyo pa, don't let your nose get near of the dust. Tama ba? Yung English ko na baluktot. Anyway, kukuha tayo ng isang capsule. So, ganyan siya. Medyo malaki yung capsule. So, it's like that. And now, we're going to open it para makita nyo na hindi ako nagdadaya. So, I hope mabuksan ko agad itong itong capsule. So, nabubuksan ko na siya. And let's try to open it para tignan natin kung tawag dito, kung pwede siya. Ano ba yan? Mahirap mag-i-open. Wait lang guys. So, pilit ko pong open. Ang hirap i-open. Kung nahihirapan ka mag-open, huwag nyo na pahirapan yung sarili nyo. Just cut it out. Yan. So, ganyan na lang siya. I-apply nyo yung both na... Wait lang. Baka kasi magbago. So, nabasa tuloy yung kamay ko. But anyway, ilalagay natin siya dito and then para hindi siya magkalat. So, ayun na nga. Ganyan yung itsura niya and I can sense na natatanggal niya yung betadine. So, medyo nagdi-disintegrate yung betadine and slowly, di ba, makikita nyo naman na medyo nag-clear siya, di ba? So, this means na itong product is really somehow legit, lalo na kapag imimix natin. O, di ba? Pag i-mix natin, magic. It is really indeed magic. Kaya, this product is really legit. Pinakita ko na sa inyo na hindi siya putyo-putyong product. So, eto na yung ebidensya and I am not faking it. Ganito talaga yung itsura. O, diba? Inuulit-ulit ko. And I'm really impressed. Walang mintis yung mga Thai products na nabibili ko. Hindi ako nagsisi sa nabili kong ito kasi it can really legitimately boost your immune system without, faking it. Talagang betadine test passed. Kaya naman, kukuha tayo ng isa ulit na capsule. So, di ba, 60 capsule siya. Ngayon, magiging 68 na. 58 na siya. Kasi, yung isa, tinest natin, and yung isa, iti-take natin. Tapos, don't forget to drink at least 12 to 14 glasses of water a day. 12 to 14. So that it will help replenish your body with fluids and flush yung mga toxins, yung mga phlegmas, kung may phlegmas kayo, and of course, to maintain the hydration of your body. Tapos, ayan guys, kung nagustuhan niyo tong vlog ko, dito sa Collagen Vita C to boost your immune system and to improve your skin's turgor. Don't forget to subscribe my 2 YouTube channels. My YouTube channels are The Story of Anthony and The Story of Anthony Vlogs. So if you have any questions, suggestions, feedbacks, reactions, mag-comment down below lang kayo and reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So hanggang dito na lamang po. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.